optimizing video titles and descriptions, there are several common mistakes to avoid. Here are a few. 1. Keyword stuffing. Stuffing your titles and descriptions with excessive keywords can make them appear spammy and negatively impact your search rankings. Focus on using relevant keywords naturally and in a way that accurately represents your video content. 2. Irrelevant or misleading titles. It's essential to ensure that your titles accurately reflect the content of your videos. Misleading or clickbait titles may initially attract viewers, but can lead to disappointment and disengagement when the actual content doesn't match their expectations. 3. Ignoring audience needs. Understanding your target audience and their preferences is crucial. Avoid creating titles and descriptions that don't resonate with your viewers or fail to address their specific needs and interests. Tailor your titles and descriptions to attract and engage your target audience effectively. 4. Neglecting to optimize metadata. Metadata, such as tags, captions, and thumbnails, plays a significant role in improving visibility. Neglecting to optimize these elements can hinder your video's discoverability. Be sure to utilize relevant tags, provide accurate captions, and create eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click. 5. Lengthy titles and descriptions. Overly long titles and descriptions can be cumbersome and may get truncated in search results, reducing their impact. Aim for concise and compelling titles and descriptions that convey the key information and entice viewers to click. 6. Failing to incorporate strong CTAs. Calls to action. CTAs are essential for engaging your audience and encouraging them to take desired actions, such as subscribing, liking, or sharing your video. Don't forget to include clear and compelling CTAs in your titles and descriptions to prompt viewer engagement. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can optimize your video titles and descriptions effectively, increasing visibility and engagement on YouTube.